We will see in this class how to create isometric drawings, which are drawings that allow us to have a precise notion of what the project will look like once it is finished. In the isometric design, we visualize the model in 3D, with its exact dimensions. We will begin the lesson by creating a new file, activating the isometric drafting feature in the status bar, and activating the orthogonal stroke mode. Before starting the geometry layout, we click this arrow next to the isometric drafting and select, in the menu that opens, the option Isoplane Top. This orientation of the plane can be modified by typing F5, C. We will create a 100 mm cube, then we activate the line tool and fix the starting point at the origin of the coordinate system. Now we direct the line and enter the value 100. As we draw the lines, we must toggle the drawing plan using the F5 key until we finish the isometric cube stroke, C. Let's now plot a circumference at the top of this cube. To do this, we modify the orientation to isoplane top and activate the ellipse stroke command in the axis, and option. Next, we choose the stroke option isocircle, typing the letter I and confirming with an enter. Now we position the cursor near the midpoint of these two lines to capture the precision midpoints. Next, we move the cursor to the center of the top face of the cube and see that some dashed green lines are displayed. As soon as these lines intersect, we click on the graphic area to specify the center of the circumference. Now we can specify the radius or diameter of the circumference. In our case, we specify the radius of 40 and confirm with an enter. See that the circumference was created on the upper face of the cube. And so we concluded our class, where we learned to create isometric drawings. Train the use of this feature so that you can represent the pieces being drawn isometric and make it easier to understand the design.